Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to blue comment on TikTok. So when you open your TikTok application on your device, okay, and then choose the video that you want to comment a blue text. So for example, this video. Okay, as you can see some of the comments is blue. It is because their comments is connected to the search. Okay, as you can see at the top. So when you comment, make sure that your comments is related to what is written on the search. So for example, I am going to comment that is the same on the search. Okay, so I am going to type out Versace on the floor saxophone. Okay, and then after 5 minutes or 10 minutes, you will have to go back to that video where you commented and then check your comments and it will turn blue. Okay, and then another thing that you can do if you want to comment a text that is color blue is to mention a friend or a user on TikTok. So for example, this user, I am going to click this user. So as you can see, the comment is blue. So for now, that is the only ways in how to blue comment on TikTok. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.